No, not again.
I would have caught them if you hadn't gotten away.
What? You couldn't catch a cold in winter.
Shush! Bickering buffoons! 3 rabbits and a huge trout. That's more than enough for all of us, if we work together.
Suppose you're right. But where'd they go?
That fish came from the lake. Those rabbits must be helping him get back.
So all we need to do is get there first. And I happen to know a shortcut.
Never thought I'd be so happy to see that old lake.
Aw, poor Jack.
Don't worry, not far to go now.
Oh no, look!
How do we get Jack Sharp to the lake with them there?
Peter, ask yourself, what would your father do?
He'd find a way. A good rabbit never gives up. Aha!
There they are!
They're mine!
They're mine!
Tail feathers, they're ours!
Come here. You try it, Fox.
Empty!
We've been tricked.
Peter Rabbit!
I hope this works, Peter!
Not as much as I do.
Tell me when it's over!
Ready? 1, 2, 3! Jump! Good old Dad.
Yay!
We did it!
Congratulations. You might have saved that fish, but who's going to save you?
Stop my jacket! Oh, tendrils, Callum!
Thanks, Jack.
Thank you for getting me home. Your dad never let me down, and neither did you or your friends, Peter. So long.
Bye, Jack.
See you soon!
I guess it's time we went home too.
Tea time! Still no bites, eh? But don't be glum. Fishing can be awfully exciting sometimes. Believe me.
Oh, we know that, Mr. Fisher.
Any sign of Peter? If I have to do this much longer, I might drop something. Wow!
No sign yet. Keep going.
Left a bit, right a bit. Benjamin, get ready to catch the cake.
Ow! That didn't feel like a cake.
Tail feathers! Who did that? Rapscallion rabbits!
Row faster! Oh no! Look!
Come
They don't look very happy.
Tail feathers!
It's all my fault. Running around, blaming everyone, making them angry at us. I'm sorry.
It's okay, Peter. You were just trying to get Cottontail's cake back.
Well, I got us into this mess, and I'm going to get us out.
But how? They can see us coming. We can't just disappear.
Maybe we can. Lily, do you still have that leftover flour?
Right here in my just-in-case pocket. You know, just in case.
They can't catch what they can't see.
It's awful foggy all of a sudden. There! Right, let's get up, gotcha! Where'd you go? Get off! Quiet, Fox.
Yes!
Rotten rabbits!
What are you doing, you feathery oaf?
I thought you were those rabbits. You must have let them escape.
Pah, we let them escape. You're the one who was following them.
You three are a bunch of bungling boneheads.
At least we're not stuck like you.
I'm not stuck. I'm just sharpening my claws.
Looks like we were all stuck. Thanks to Peter Rabbit.
I'm sorry, Mum. I looked everywhere and I just couldn't find Cottontail's cake.
Never mind, Peter. You tried.
But how could that cake just have disappeared? It was right. Wait a minute.
What is it, Peter?
Cottontail? It was you all along? You stole your own birthday cake. You naughty little rabbit.
Birthday cake! Yeah, me!